Imagine a year with nearly 150 space missions. It may sound like science fiction, but for SpaceX, it's the ambitious plan for 2024. Just 1 year prior, in 2023, SpaceX broke records with an unprecedented 74 orbital missions, the highest ever for a private company in a single year. But as they say, there's no rest for the wicked, or, in this case, the wickedly ambitious. SpaceX is setting its sights even higher, aiming to almost double its record with a planned 144 missions in the coming year. These aren't simple test flights either. The majority will be dedicated to expanding the Starlink satellite internet mega constellation, an ambitious project that has already seen 5,000 operational satellites and has approval for 42,000 more. SpaceX isn't just launching rockets, they're launching a new era of connectivity and exploration. And if that's not impressive enough, they're also focused on the development of their Starship rocket, a fully reusable marvel of engineering designed to make Mars settlement and other exploration endeavors economically viable. As we look to the stars, SpaceX is not just imagining the future, it's actively constructing it. In the heart of SpaceX's 2024 plans is an ambitious project named Starlink, a project so colossal it's like a constellation of stars, except these stars are satellites, and they're set to light up the digital world like never before. Imagine a network of over 5,000 operational satellites orbiting Earth, beaming down internet connectivity to the farthest reaches of our planet. This isn't a dream or a concept. It's already a reality, thanks to the tireless efforts of SpaceX. But they aren't stopping there. They have approval to launch an astounding 42,000 more satellites, and they're just getting started. Starlink is no ordinary project. It's a mission to democratize internet access, to break down the digital divide that separates the connected from the unconnected. It's a vision to bring the world closer, one satellite at a time. And this vision is a key driver for SpaceX's increase in missions. In the year 2024 alone, SpaceX plans to launch nearly 150 missions. That's an average of 12 launches per month, a pace that's virtually unheard of in the space industry. But for SpaceX, it's just another day at the office. Each launch, each satellite brings us closer to a future where the internet isn't a luxury, it's a basic right accessible to all, regardless of where on Earth you might be. A future where a child in a remote village has the same access to knowledge as a student in a bustling city. A future where opportunities aren't limited by geography, but are as boundless as the stars themselves. With Starlink, SpaceX aims to create a mega constellation that could revolutionize internet access across the globe. And in doing so, they're not just launching satellites, they're launching a new era of connectivity. At the forefront of SpaceX's rocket development is the Starship, a testament to the company's vision of making Mars settlement a reality. This isn't just another rocket. It's a vessel designed to carry us into a new epoch of space exploration, and it's not far from taking its maiden voyage. SpaceX is laser-focused on the development of Starship, a rocket that's designed from the ground up to be fully reusable. This isn't just about cutting costs, though that's certainly a part of it. No, this is about making space travel as commonplace as air travel. It's about turning the seemingly impossible into the everyday. So far, SpaceX has conducted 2 test flights of the Starship, with each one bringing us a step closer to turning science fiction into science fact. These aren't just tests, they're milestones in a journey that's been decades in the making, and the journey isn't slowing down. SpaceX has plans for a 3rd test flight in the pipeline, and each successful mission brings us closer to a future where humans are a multi-planetary species. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. This isn't just about colonizing Mars. It's about fundamentally changing the way we think about and interact with space. It's about opening up a whole new frontier for humanity to explore. This isn't just about reaching for the stars, it's about making the stars within our reach. The Starship represents more than just technological innovation. It represents a new era of space travel, where the cosmos is no longer a distant, unreachable realm, but a place where humans can live, work, and thrive. This is a future where children might grow up not just dreaming of becoming astronauts, but actually living among the stars. With Starship, SpaceX isn't just reaching for Mars, it's reaching for a new era in space travel. This is a journey that we're all on together, and with each passing day, the future of space travel is looking brighter and more exciting than ever. In 2024, SpaceX plans to launch 5 astronaut missions, continuing its commitment to human space exploration. This ambitious slate of missions symbolizes a new era of space travel, one where private companies like SpaceX lead the charge to the stars. Among these missions, 2 are set to be carried out in partnership with NASA. These missions reaffirm the strong ties between SpaceX and NASA, an alliance that has been instrumental in pushing the boundaries of what's possible in space. They represent a shared vision of a future where humanity is not bound to one planet, but can reach out and touch the stars. In addition to the NASA missions, one mission is planned for Axiom Space. Axiom is a private company that aims to build the world's first commercial space station, making space more accessible than ever before. This mission embodies the spirit of collaboration and innovation that drives the new era of space exploration. These missions, however, are more than just trips to space. They are testaments to human ingenuity and the drive to explore the unknown. They show us that we are not limited by our earthly constraints, but can push beyond them to discover new worlds and possibilities. With each launch, SpaceX is not just sending rockets into space, they're sending a message to the world. A message that says, we are not content to stay grounded, that we have the ability and the will to reach for the stars and beyond. These missions are not just about reaching new heights. They're about pioneering the new frontier of space exploration. With each successful launch, we step closer to a future where space travel is not just a dream, but a reality for all. A future where we are not just observers of the universe, but active participants in its exploration. A future where we are indeed pioneers of the new frontier. With nearly 150 planned missions, the expansion of the Starlink project, the development of the Starship rocket, and 5 astronaut missions, 2024 is shaping up to be a defining year for SpaceX. Envision a year of rocket launches, not just a few, but nearly 150. That's right, SpaceX is aiming to reach an average of 12 launches per month in 2024. The goal is ambitious, but if any company can pull it off, it's SpaceX. This unprecedented flurry of activity is largely driven by the expansion of the Starlink project. With an already impressive fleet of 5,000 operational satellites, SpaceX is not resting on its laurels. Instead, they're pressing ahead with plans to fill the sky with a staggering 47,000 additional satellites. But it's not just about quantity, it's about advancements too. The Starship rocket, a marvel of engineering, is poised to redefine what's possible in space travel. Fully reusable and designed with the distant goal of Mars settlement in mind, the Starship rocket is a testament to SpaceX's forward-thinking ethos. With 2 test flights already under its belt and a 3rd in the pipeline, the Starship is set to make strides in 2024. And let's not forget about the astronauts. This year, SpaceX plans to launch 5 astronaut missions, including 2 for NASA and 1 for Axiom Space. These missions serve as a testament to SpaceX's commitment to advancing human space travel, a commitment that could shape the future of our species. In the face of regulatory challenges and intense competition, SpaceX continues to innovate, disrupt, and push boundaries. The company's success has already sparked a resurgence in the space industry and attracted the interest of investors worldwide. What does this all mean? Simply put, 2024 is not just another year for SpaceX. It's a year that could redefine space exploration, and by extension, our understanding of humanity's place in the cosmos. As SpaceX reaches for the stars, 2024 may just be the year that brings us all a little closer to the cosmos. If you're intrigued by the future of space exploration, remember to like this video and subscribe for more updates.